Currently, adding hardware to robotic systems is tough. With OddBot, we worry about the hardware integration, so you can hop right into programming your robot. Here is OddBot. On top of the robot is a perception module, the base is a locomotion module, and in the middle sits the brain. This prototype is the beginning of a fully modular robotics platform. The idea is that if you wanted to integrate a new camera into your robot, all you would have to do is simply and easily connect a new perception module. Want tracks instead of wheels on your robot? Take off the wheel module and add a tracks module, and you're good to go within minutes, not days or even weeks. How is this possible? It's due to the modularity of the design of OddBot. This is the brain module that has the main processor that controls all the other modules in OddBot. Here is a perception module that allows OddBot to sense its environment. This locomotion module allows the OddBot to travel through its environment. Here we see Chris and Drew putting OddBot together at 2 times speed. Other robotics platforms can require a lot of work to add functionality. With OddBot, we try to make this hardware integration process as painless as possible. Here we integrate the standard locomotion module and standard perception module for OddBot in less than 2 minutes. The idea for the OddBot platform would be that there would be a range of locomotion modules that would offer different functionality, such as tank tracks, outdoor wheels, lab wheels, etc. The same concept applies for the perception modules, which could have sensors that range from a cheap light sensor to a standard webcam to an XTN, which we currently use, to more advanced LiDAR solutions depending on what you need for your robotics application. Once OddBot is constructed, anyone can easily explore common concepts in robotics such as teleoperation. Here, Chris is navigating OddBot through a maze remotely. As you can see, the perception module is on top of OddBot, which provides a good field of view for Chris to use. This is the video stream that Chris uses to teleoperate OddBot. Here we can see OddBot autonomously performing a standard task in robotics, line following. Note that the perception module is now mounted to the front of OddBot to provide a better view of the line. With the OddBot platform, you can immediately configure a robot to your needs and get to programming it. Now we see a bit of what is going on in the backend that allows OddBot to autonomously follow a line. We've programmed some filtering so OddBot can differentiate between the line and the background, and a basic program that uses this grid so OddBot actually follows the line. Once again, this is some programming that you can immediately hop into with the OddBot system without spending much time at all performing hardware integration. For the spring, we plan on building a manipulator arm for OddBot. Then our prototype will be a fully functional mobile manipulator. After that, we plan on adding more and more modules to add more and more functionality to the OddBot system.